On this video, we're going to show you how to take the Laplace transform of an initial value problem. And we'll just do a first order example in this case. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is take the Laplace transform of both sides of the differential equation. So that's going to be the Laplace transform of our y prime plus 3y. And that's going to be equal to the Laplace transform of the function e to the 2t. Okay, now we're going to use linearity to actually take the Laplace transform of these terms and do them one by one. And typically people don't write all these steps, but we'll do this for our first example. So this is the Laplace transform of just y prime plus 3 times the Laplace transform of y. And that's going to be equal to, of course, still the Laplace transform of e to the 2t. Now, from earlier, we saw that the Laplace transform of the first derivative is just s times the Laplace transform of y minus the initial condition y of 0. And then we have 3 times the Laplace transform of y, which we'll write as capital Y of s. And the Laplace transform of the exponential function, that's 1 over s minus 2. Now, the next step is to replace the initial condition with its value, which is negative 1. So this is just a negative 1 here. So that we end up with s times big Y of s plus 3 times y of s plus 1 is equal to 1 over s minus 2. And then we'll subtract the 1 from both sides, and we'll factor out the big Y of s. So we've got s plus 3 times big Y of s is equal to 1 over s minus 2 minus 1. And then from there, some people like to kind of keep these as separate terms. I like to combine them into 1. So that's going to be actually 1 minus s minus 2 over s minus 2, which is negative s plus 2 minus 1, actually plus 2 plus 1, so that's going to be, oops, that's an error there. So that is negative s and again, that's a positive 2 plus a 1 plus 3 over top of s minus 2. And then in getting us ready for what's lying ahead, we will divide both sides by the s plus 3. And we end up with the Laplace transform of y, or big Y of s, is equal to negative s plus 3 over the product s minus 2 times s plus 3. And that is the formula for the Laplace transform of y. In the next upcoming section, we'll go through and actually figure out how to go backwards and go back to the original function y of t.